Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Interest rates today are not what they were a few years ago. Everyone knows that. And pretending otherwise doesn't help buyers, sellers, or homeowners make good decisions. What does help is understanding what today's rate environment actually means and what it doesn't. That's why I wanted to sit down with Eric today, because rates matter, but they're not the whole story.
Exactly. Rates are really only just one part of the equation, but life doesn't pause just because rates have changed. People still move, families grow, jobs change, and housing needs evolve. The biggest issue we see is people making decisions based on headlines, though, instead of on long-term plans.
And that's such an important distinction. I see buyers and sellers getting stuck, waiting for the perfect moment. But here's the reality. After years of working through very different markets, you can't control where rates go from month to month or year to year.
No, but you know what you can control? How you position yourself. Look, price, terms, and seller concessions, equity, and flexibility all matter way more than people realize.
Yes, and our job isn't to time the market perfectly. It's to create a strategy that works now and still works later when the market shifts again, because it always does.
Yeah, it's shifted, what, 2 or 3 times since we started working together, and that's why we look beyond just the rate. We look at, when we work with our clients, we look at their monthly payment, their comfort, their long-term plans, and really future opportunities, including refinancing when it makes sense, recasting the loan. There's always things that we can do to help improve the borrower's situation, and it's never just about rate.
Right. And this market isn't broken, it's different. And different doesn't mean bad, it just means strategy matters more. I mean, if you're feeling unsure because of rates, that's probably normal. The goal isn't to rush or wait blindly. The goal is to understand your options. So if you want clarity instead of noise, Eric and I are happy to walk through it with you.
Absolutely.